How to fix Roblox slow memory. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix the Roblox slow memory. So for that you must need to head into your Google Play Store to install the Roblox. Just tap for Roblox right here and see if there is any update option available because the updation might also be one of the problem. If the updation is right, then just go on the settings, tap on apps. On the app you can just search for Roblox right here. After you tap on Roblox, go on the storage option. Now you need to clear all the data and clear the all cache from here. And after that, you need to input your ID and password right there. So if it does not work, then I would also suggest you to uninstall your application and reinstall it again from Google Play Store or App Store, and then you can simply put on your device. But sometimes this problem might also show because there is not enough space on your device. So if it is the problem, then you must delete other applications and then install Roblox for the clear use of Roblox. So do try it and see if it works or not. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.